Hi, this is Syket from Direct Step by Step. Now I'm going to show how to use Nodemon for your Node.js server. Here I create a simple Node.js server. Just I'm opening here localhost 3000 and it's showing hello world. So if I change here, look, my server is not restarting. I have to restart manually. Then it will show. If I change again and save, reload, this is not changed here because of we didn't restart again. So this is a very awkward situation. So that's why Nodemon come. Nodemon is automatically restarting node application. So today's video, now I'm going to show how to use Nodemon for your Node.js server. You have to first go to Nodemon npm npmjs.com/package/Nodemon. Nodemon is a tool that helps develop Node.js based application by automatically restarting the Node application when file changes in a directory are detected. So here is the Nodemon description. Again and again Nodemon watching our file, and if we any changes, Nodemon restart automatically. So I have already installed Nodemon. Just go here and stop just Nodemon index. Look, Nodemon already watching my file. If I change anything, Nodemon automatically restart our server. Just I'm going to here like, and I'm going to, now I'm save. Look at that, it's restarting automatically, and I refresh, we see the changes. So thanks for watching.